Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sumati Ravichandran. My dear friends, today we are going to talk about how to prepare competitive examination with 10 basic steps. I think these basic steps definitely help you to achieve your destination and the goals. If you are a new visitor to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell button. Dear friends, today we are going to talk about the 10 basic steps to clear the competitive examination. So, step number 1. Kindly choose the job and examination which you likes mostly. Don't prefer the job or examination which parents like or relatives like. Kindly prefer your own wishes. Your instant thoughts, inner thoughts always take to you the success. So kindly always choose the job which preferably you likes. Everyone from the childhood days definitely have a dream. Try to achieve your dream. Try to achieve your goal. So if you are selecting the job which you likes mostly, definitely it brings the success very easily. Step number 2. Kindly download the syllabus and exam pattern. See, syllabus in the sense, if you are preparing for the UPSC examination, UPSC every year gives the syllabus in the employment newspaper or in the website. So you can download the syllabus and kindly go through it. Then you should know the information regarding the exam pattern. If they are conducting preliminary, that means objective type exam or descriptive type. Descriptive type means main exam. Generally, UPSC and State Public Service Commission, they used to conduct preliminary exam. After clearing the preliminary exam, main exams will be there. After that, in the final stage, interview will be conducted. So, students should know what are the exact pattern of the exam and what are the exact syllabus of that particular exam. In that examination, negative mark system is there or not, you have to analyze. If negative mark system is there, then while writing the exam, you should be very cautious while you attempting the answers. Right. This is the step number 2. Then step number 3. After analyzing the syllabus and exam pattern, kindly download the previous year question papers. So previous question papers gives immense idea what to study, where to study, what are the questions it was appearing very frequently. So in which area we have to concentrate, we can prepare ourselves or we have to go to the coaching institution. Everything you will get a clear-cut idea or vivid picture after analyzing the previous year question papers. So if you can, kindly take one printout copy of the hard copy of the question paper. It may be UPSC or it may be your State Public Service Commission or SSC, Banking, RRB, whatever it may be. Kindly go download the question papers and try to attempt that question paper without any preparation. Then you can analyze your own strength. Okay, we can do this one. I am very much positive, so I can clear this exam. This type of information definitely you will get back from the question paper analyzing. Then step number 4. Step number 4, very important. It's like a GPS. Where to go, it will be assisted by the GPS. Likewise, if you are reading the fundamental books, in the sense NCERT, State Board books, some fundamental newspapers definitely gives the fundamental concept clearly to you. So please collect the relevant books. Don't collect as much books which is available in the market. No, we need some selective books. That means if for the beginners, definitely you should read NCERT books if you are preparing for UPSC, SSC, banking. If you are preparing for your own state competitive examinations like Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, UP Public Service Commission, Delhi Public Service Commission, each and every state they are conducting the Public Service Commission exams. So definitely you have to follow your own state board syllabus. So maximum questions definitely they will ask from the state board syllabus. You can collect from the 6th standard to 12th standard social science and political science, history, economics, likewise. So these are the most fundamental books which gives in-depth fundamental knowledge for your basic preparation. Every student before going to the coaching institution, definitely they should read the fundamental books. Then only they can grasp the concept very easily in the coaching institutions. The step number 5. My dear friends, after analyzing your question papers and syllabus, kindly start preparing immediately, and before that you have to prepare a proper study plan. If you are working, then definitely you will get the time in the weekends. If you are not working, then you will get the whole 24/7. So for your preparation, you have to prepare a proper study plan. Study plan in the sense, in the one particular day, which subjects should be studied or what are the times it should be allocated for the preparation. So in which particular month I have to complete the entire syllabus. For preliminary examination, how many days are there? So when I should complete the syllabus. So these are the things you should keep in your mind while you preparing for the study plan. Study plan varies according to the person to person. Please make comfortable with your study plan. Please don't be demotivated if you are not completing your study plan within a stipulated time. Kindly prepare a study plan for a week or a month or a particular day. In every day before sleeping, kindly analyze what are the things you studied from the morning to evening. So how much portion it was left over, how much thing you have to improve yourself, how you can improve your speed. For the beginners, in the initial stage of the preparation, they will take too much of time to read one particular book. But in later period of that time, it will be very easy to complete the syllabus. So study plan, it should be properly planned and it should be implemented properly. Then step number 6. You should always give equal importance to the all subject. Some people give importance to the social science subject. If they studied or if they have the background of the social science, then definitely they always avoid the science subjects. No, it's not a good idea. My dear friends, kindly give equal importance for science and also social science. So in all the competitive examination, they are asking more and more questions from all areas. So you should not definitely eliminate or avoid the other subjects. So study and give equal importance to all subjects. Then next thing, you should study consistently. This study consistently is the 7th important tip to achieve the success. So some people study just for 1 week, then afterwards they feel demotivated, then they stop studying. No, this is not a good idea. My dear friends, kindly start studying consistently with your own self-motivation. So please try to have own motivation, self-motivation to study consistently. If your birthday is coming or Deepavali or Pongal, whatever it may be, try to sit for 8 hours or 10 hours with consistently. If you are not working in the sense, you can study Monday to Saturday in the routine pace, in the same speed, and then in the Sunday take a break, rejoice yourself, then you can revise for some time. Step number 8. Own notes preparation. What do you mean by own notes? My dear friends, in market there are plenty of books and notes are available. In the internet also it is plenty of informations are available. But what are the books you are collecting or having, doesn't matter. Please allocate different notebook to write. So if you are jotting down some important points, then while you are traveling you can revise. If you are traveling in the bus, if you are traveling in the train, you will definitely get plenty of time. Kindly don't waste your time. So you can utilize your own notes while traveling and also before the examination. During the examination, revision is very much important. For that particular revision, this own notes preparation definitely helps you. Step number 9. My dear friends, please revise regularly. If you are studying consistently for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, whatever it may be, please, if you are reading from morning 6 a.m. to evening 8 or 9, then before going to the bed, you should allocate at least 1 hour to 2 hours for the revision. So, everyday revision is mandatory. Then, from Monday to Friday or Saturday, you should have something you studied. So in the Sunday, definitely don't study the new things. You stop reading the new things. You should revise on Sunday. You take half a day for the revision, then remaining half a day for your rejoicing and enjoying with your friends, chatting, watching movies or playing games. So you should have different fun time. So you should rejoice yourself. You should revise regularly. The last one, 10th point. Please write test as much you can. Yes, is it important writing test regularly? Obviously, without writing test, you can achieve or you can success. So, better if you completed all the basic readings, then before the examination, at least 3 months ahead, you should start for the writing test practice. So, in the test writing practice, you can analyze your own strength. So, you should not demotivated if you are getting low marks in the test. You should rejoice and energize yourself. You should overcome the difficulties which you are facing during the examination time. So please write as much test you can. It may be online or it may be offline. Writing test definitely eliminates the mistakes which most of the students do it in their examination. So definitely you should have the practice of writing test regularly. So it brings you to achieve the success as much as possible. My dear friends, in this video, we discussed about the 10 important points valuably. My dear friends, we will see the quick recap about the important points. Point number 1. Choose the relevant job and examination which suits to you. Point number 2. Read the syllabus and exam pattern. Point number 3. Download the previous year question papers and analyze the exam papers. Point number 4. Have a good basic books and book list. Point number 5. Have a good study plan. Point number 6. Give equal importance to all subjects. Point number 7. Study consistently with self-motivation. Point number 8. Have our own notes. Point number 9. Revise regularly. Point number 10. Write test as much you can. So, you can follow these basic steps to achieve your goal and destination. I think this video definitely helpful for your exam preparation. If you like, kindly subscribe, share comment and click the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay home, stay happy. Thank you.